Good morning, this is your staff sensei, Mr. Spensei, and this is an exit ticket on Suite. All right. And it says use a computer printout and the data to answer the following questions about the amount of calories in peanut M&Ms. Show all the work. So, what was the observed amount of calories in peanut M&Ms? So they're asking for the observed, and another word also for observed, and I should go ahead and point this out, is actual. So this observed amount is also the same as the actual. So when I go, okay, where are peanut M&Ms? I look, oh, peanut M&Ms are here at 790. So we have 790 calories. Based on the amounts spent on sugar, the amount of sugar in peanut M&Ms, how many calories were expected? Well, to do that, I need my regression equation. So we know it's going to start off y hat equals, well, let's look up at our table. And our table said, oh, there's my y-intercept 300.0397. So y hat equals 300.0397 and my slope of 2.829. All right. And then we put an X here. Now don't forget, this right here is my y-intercept. This right here is my slope. And my y variable happens to be, and I'm just going to make a note off to the side so we don't forget about it. My y variable, or y, is calories, and my x is sugar. So based on the amount of sugar in peanut M&Ms, how many calories were expected in the candy? Well, when I look at peanut M&Ms, I see 79. So it's like, oh, okay, I just need to plug in 79 for the number of calories. So this should equal 300.0397 plus 2.829. And the amount of calories was oops, drop my pen, having a little trouble. Drop 79. And that came from right here. All right, so let's go ahead to the calculator and calculate that out. So 300.0397 plus 2.829 parentheses 79. 523.5307 is what we expect. So in our case, y hat equals 523.5307. 523.5307. All right. And that is how many calories we expect. All right. So 523.5307 calories. All right. It says, what is the residual? Well, first off, remember, residual equals observed minus expected. Or as some people like to say, residual equals actual minus predicted. Well, we calculated our actual here, so our residual equals 790 minus our actual, which we have right here, our predicted. So this was our actual or observed. And this right here is our predicted. So all we have to do is subtract those two. So 790 minus 523.5307 is 266.4693. All right. That takes care of that. Thank you for watching the exit ticket and look forward to seeing you on the next one. Thank you.